If you're looking for an electric range cooker with a contemporary design and outstanding performance, this stunning stainless steel model from Belling is the perfect choice. It has 4 cavities, including a separate grill, 2 fan ovens, and a storage compartment for cookware. The main fan oven has a 64-litre capacity, and the second one has a 58-litre capacity. So there's plenty of flexibility if you're cooking for a larger household or like to host lots of dinner parties. There are 7 gas burners on the hob with cast iron supports for fast and precise cooking, which can hold pots and pans of various sizes for creative chefs who need plenty of extra space. This model has a Wok Burner, which is amazing when you're using larger pots and cooking exciting Oriental dishes. The large burner delivers an intense, concentrated, powerful flame to the bottom of your pans for quick and even cooking. So whether you're deep frying or steaming, the versatile Wok Burner is the perfect choice. This model's conventional oven provides a traditional way of cooking that gives great results. It uses heating elements at the top and bottom of the cavity, and because heat rises, this creates different temperature zones on each level of the oven. So, you'll be able to cook different foods at different temperatures, which will come in handy for those Sunday roasts. If you want a stainless steel electric range cooker with a contemporary design and outstanding performance, this eye-catching Belling model is the perfect addition for your kitchen.